Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7 living big with less. And this weekend we are heading away for the weekend to celebrate my little girl Siri has just turned 7, and so we are heading up to the Gold Coast, which is near where we live, and we're going to hit some of the amazing theme parks which we gave tickets to the kids to for Christmas. But I thought I would show you guys how I pack for when we're going away, how I keep it organized, how I keep it minimal. There's always that balance when you're packing to go away of balancing minimalism, that you don't want to be taking everything but the kitchen sink, but also being frugal, that you don't want to be buying things that you do need while you're up there. So balancing what you need to take and making sure it's still going to be frugal. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to show you how I pack and how we get it done.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much.
Before I even start our packing, I try and make sure that all of our laundry is up to date and put away. Because we have a fairly minimalist wardrobe, it just really helps me if I have everything clean and ready to choose. So how I pack for everyone is I lay everything out by outfit, but I also try and keep the outfits interchangeable so that if I'm washing during our vacation, that I can swap and change the outfits from the same clothes that I've bought. So as I'm folding them, I include everyone's underwear so that in the morning when we're getting ready, I can just hand the kids a little bundle of clothes and they're ready to go. Or if we're at the beach or the pool and they've worn their swimmers there, that I can just pack up a little bundle for everybody to get changed into at the end.
It's kind of quiet in my room right now without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer.
On this particular trip, we're actually just going away for the weekend. So I was packing 3 sets of clothes per person, and I packed 2 very summery outfits and 1 sort of long pants outfit, and I also just packed a jacket for each person because we were going out in the evening on one of the nights and I just wanted to be prepared. So as you can see, I have a list set out, and what I do is I list out exactly how many outfits I want. So for example, I put 3 outfits, and then I put every person's first initial, so that as I'm doing each person, I can just cross off their initial, so I don't actually have to pack the whole lot before I start crossing off. And I know I'm still waiting on something for someone, I can go back to it.
If you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
I love to pack our nappies into the top of the suitcase. That just makes things a lot easier when we're trying to find them. Now I'm just gathering all of our cables. We have this fantastic Anchor charger which charges like 10 things at once. It's a fast charger, and I just pack up all the cables for the different things, and I keep them in just a little pencil case so that they're neat and tidy, and I keep that on the outside pocket of the bag so that if I need to get into it as soon as we arrive, I don't have to actually unpack the suitcase. I always pack our swimmers and towels into a separate bag. It just makes it a heap easier if we're going to somewhere else to swim other than where we're staying, or that if we're swimming straight away as we get there, I know that everything's easy and quick to manage, and I roll it exactly the same way as I do our clothes. It makes it so easy to pass the kids a bundle of swimmers that are all ready for them. as you can see, I just double check my list, make sure that everything's accounted for, and then once a bag is finished, I just put it out in the lounge ready to go, so I know that that part is done, ready and waiting. So as far as food goes when we travel, we try and only eat one meal out a day. So I am packing stuff for breakfast and some lunches. I pack our coffee and some snacks to take with us. I will go to the grocery store when we get to our destination, but it's handy to have some of those things up my sleeve already. And I also always pack our toiletries into a little basket if we're traveling in our own car. It just makes it really easy for me to put out on the counter in the bathroom, and then everyone has access to the stuff they need. I'm just popping some hair ties in a little Tic Tac box. And now I'm just packing up the last of our cold items, ready to go into a cooler bag. And I always pack a little in-car bag with some sticker books for the little ones. And so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video of seeing what we pack when we go away. If you have any tips, I would love to hear from you down in the comments. If you're new, we would love to have you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.